Hello everybody, today I'm going to explain you how you can create your websites by using Sitelio. So this is the homepage of these technological results. So let's start and create my website. Okay, there are two options to log in. Okay, if you want to create an account, so you fill with this information, but in my case I am going to use my Google account. Select my email and we are in the website. So we are first, when we want to create a website, you have to choose a template. So in this case there are a lot of templates that you can use. For example, I can use this. So it says preview or choose. If you are sure that you are going to use this in your website, choose. But if you don't know, maybe you can see this and see another one, so just preview. So I'm going to use choose because I am sure I want to use it. After choosing the template, we have to wait. Okay, so this is the website. In this part we have some elements that Sitelio offers. For example, elements, you can add elements as contact buttons, files, map, music, forms, etc. Pages, so these are the pages of the website. Sections, so these are the sections. Design, for example, if you don't like this background, so you can change it. Okay, and colors, you can change the colors of the style. Fonts, these are the fonts that Sitelio offers, so you choose the best. Let's remember that you have to consider the fonts in order to achieve people can read easy. There are some fonts that you shouldn't use in a website, so let's remember that. Don't forget it. Style of the text and so on. Let's try editing this. For example, quality cupcakes, we can write delicious cupcakes. Cupcakes. Okay, delicious cupcakes. And let's suppose that we finish editing all the website. Save. You know what I mean? Delicious. This is the name. Cupcakes. Save. And then publish. publish. We can omit this. It says that our website was published. We can see it again. Published. See? And this is the website that we created. This one. This is the website. It is so beautiful. Okay. So let's remember you have to consider some aspects when you create websites. So I hope you like this website. This technological result is so good. Bye. See you in the next video.